everyone, welcome back to the Cupcake Jemma channel. With me briefly, I'm just going to tell you, well, I'm up here making all this delicious content for you for over Christmas with the gang up here, but downstairs the bakers are busy. So we thought we'd send Nikki downstairs to capture some of the beautiful work that they're doing down there, because they've got loads of orders for one of our new cakes, which is a Christmas special, and it's our Christmas favourites cake. So a few weeks ago we showed you that process of development and training all the guys with this new product that we've got, the favourites cakes. And the Christmas version is really yummy. You can get it in red velvet, chocolate or vanilla. Downstairs they've got loads of red velvet ones to do, and they're really sweet because they've got these little Christmas trees on top. And anyway, they're very fun to make. I'm sure the guys downstairs are not only busy but also really enjoying their work. So head downstairs with Nikki and hopefully you will like what you see. See you later.